Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. My dear students, through this video, I will be informing you the syllabus for your semester's exam. I hope you know there will be two semesters this year, and these two semesters exam will be conducted by the board only. The first semester exam will be conducted in the month of November. There will be MCQ questions only, while the second semester exam will be conducted in the month of March to April. It will be conducted online or offline. It will be decided by the board depending upon the pandemic situation in the country. I hope you know that there are the syllabus, bifurcated syllabus for your semester exams. I mean, first semester syllabus will not be asked in the second semester. So in this video, for your math subject, I will be informing you which are the exercises you have to study in first semester and which exercises in the second semester. So watch the video till the end to know about the exercises which you have to study this year in mathematics. My dear students, in first semester there will be MCQ based questions. The first semester exam will be conducted in the month of November. Remember, it will be conducted by the board. So you need to prepare the chapters what you are supposed to prepare for the first term. While the second semester's exam will be conducted in the month of March to April. The mode for conducting the second semester is not yet decided. The first semester will be conducted online. Second semester, the board will decide depending upon the situation in the country. The first semester, multiple choice questions, and it will surely be online. Second semester, it will not be multiple choice, but whether it will be online or offline, it will be decided by the board. But remember, both the semesters exam will be conducted by the ICSC board only. As I told you, there will be two semesters in every subject for class 10th. Now, I am going to tell you what are the chapters you have to study for the first semester exam. So get ready and be prepared for your first semester multiple choice questions based online exam. So the name of the unit which you will be preparing for the first semester are commercial mathematics, algebra, and geometry. I repeat, commercial mathematics, algebra, and geometry. But from commercial mathematics, you have to study only the two chapters, goods and services tax and banking. I repeat, GST and banking. I mean, from your book, you have to prepare exercise 1 and exercise 2. Now, second is algebra. From algebra unit, you have to prepare the chapters as linear inequations in one variable, that is the exercise 4 of your book. Second, quadratic equations in one variable. I repeat, quadratic equation. The exercises are 5a, b, c, d and e. I mean all exercises you have to prepare. The third chapter in algebra is ratio and proportion. So you will be doing the questions from 6a and 6b only. Remember, in this chapter you will be doing the questions from 6a and 6b. The next chapter is factorization of polynomials. I mean factor and remainder theorems. The exercise is exercise 7. Next is matrices. So in this chapter you will prepare exercise 8a, 8b and 8c, all three exercises from your book. Now the next chapter in algebra is arithmetic progression. So you will be doing the questions of 9a exercise and 9b exercise only. The other two exercises you will not be studying because questions will not be asked in this year exam. The last chapter which will be there in the first semester exam is similarity, and that similarity exercise from the chapter similarity you will be doing the questions of the exercise 12b and 12c only. If you wish, you can do the questions of all the exercises, but remember, from the reduced syllabus you have to study only the two exercises, and these exercises are 12b and 12c. Now, in second semester exam, which will be conducted in the month of March to April, it is not decided whether it will be online or offline. But in this semester, you have to study the chapters as algebra, geometry, mensuration, trigonometry, statistics, and probability. So let us know the topics what we have to study exercise wise. So in algebra, the subunit is coordinate geometry. So from this coordinate geometry, you will be doing the questions of the exercise 10b, which is an exercise based on the chapter reflection. I mean, this reflection will be asked in the second semester exam. Then exercises 11a, b and c. These three exercises 11a, 11b and 11c will also be there in the second semester exam. That will be the part of algebra under the subunit coordinate geometry. The next is circle chapter. From this circle chapter, you will be doing the questions of exercises 14A, 14C, 14E and 14F. Remember, it is mentioned in the reduced syllabus that you will be asked the numerical questions to solve which are based on the theorems of the chapter circles. So that's why you can exclude the exercise 14B and 14D from the chapter circle. The next is mensuration. In this chapter, you have to do the questions from the exercises 15A, B and C. Remember, in this chapter mensuration, the solid sphere is excluded. I mean, there will be no question based on the volume and surface area of a sphere. But remember, conversion of solids, cylinder and cone. Combination of solids, cylinder and cone. These two topics will be there in the syllabus. So if you get the questions based on conversion of solids, combination of solids for cylinder and cone, so you have to practice that type of questions also. The next chapter is trigonometry. So in trigonometry, you will be doing the questions of two different exercises, 16 and 17. 17 is based on heights and distances. So exercise 16A, 16B and 17. You will be practicing all these exercises under the topic trigonometry for second semester exam. Now come to statistics. In this statistics, the main topics are mean, median and mode. Remember, my dear students, so to do the questions based on mean, median and mode, you will be doing the questions from the exercises 18A, B and C, exercises 19A, B, C and D. Remember, there is a topic ogive. From this topic, you have to study only less than ogive, not more than ogive. The questions are there based on more than ogive, but in the board exam, no question will be asked based on more than ogive. Now the last chapter which will be there in the second semester is probability. So from this chapter, you have to do the questions of exercise 20B only. 20A is not in your course. So remember, I have given you the syllabus, bifurcated syllabus, exercise wise. Prepare yourself and get 100% marks in the exam. All the best. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Thanks.